Yes.
Here we go. Limit as n approaches infinity. Oh heavens, I suppose we should distribute that 2 over n.
At this time, the drama club should report to the auditorium for pictures. Drama club to the auditorium for pictures.
Pretty. Look at all those loops. I'm going to put the 15n and the negative 2n together and get 13n. That alright with you? So the first two terms in the last step, 15n minus 2n is 13n. Multiplying that by 2 over n gives you 26 n over n. That's where we're heading with it. N's will cancel out. We're looking at 26. Yep. We've also got some constants we can put together, right? You got negative 2, take away 2/3. So you're negative 2 and 2/3 minus another 1 1/3. Can you do that in your head?
Negative 4.
Or what is it?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. Good. Yeah. If you're think of it this way: negative 6/3. 2 more is negative 8/3. Negative 12/3. We put it all together, so negative 4. Times the 2 over n gives you minus 8 over n. So that's the negative 4 times the 2 over n on the outside that's getting distributed in. So far we've accounted for this, this, and that. Alright? So we got a negative 4/3 n times 2 over n, because we got to distribute the 2 over n in. What's that going to give you?
Oh, jeez. 8 over 3. 3 over...
Yeah. It'll be a negative, right? And you've got, I guess, an 8n on the top and a 3n on the bottom. You can think of this n as being in the numerator. I should have just left it there after all. So a negative 4n times 2 is the negative 8n. And on bottom you got 3 times n is where the 3n comes from. And the only thing left is that very last term, that negative 2 over 3n. If you distribute the 2 over n into that, it looks like a numerator of negative 4 and a bottom of 3n squared, right? Oh, by the way, the n's in that last term, you can cancel those out, make it a little simpler. At this point, what can you do? Yes. Direct sub. You say so. The first term, there's no n to plug into, so you get 26. The second term, you get 8 over n, which will be 0. Because it'll be 8 divided by infinity. That's 0. Your next term is just 8/3. There is no n in which to plug anything in. The last term will be a 0 as well, because you're going to have an infinity on the bottom. 26 minus 2 and 2/3. 23 1/3, right? I was a little relieved when I get the same answer I got the last time I did it. Yeah, that's what I got last year too. So we either did it right or we made the same mistake 2 years in a row. Either way, here's the consistency.
I like the confidence.
Okay, so that's set. We've got assignment 36.
Original is a search term.